Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. A Parisian palette, your guide to timeless white and off-white. Okay, let's talk about one of the most effortlessly chic design combos out there. The classic Parisian apartment color scheme. It's all about letting beautiful moldings, good light, and simple furnishings sing, without any color drama stealing the show. To nail this look, you need two shades. One pure, crisp white for definition, and one soft, warm off-white to wrap the rooms in a gentle glow. For our dream Parisian-inspired space, we're going with Benjamin Moore Chantilly Lace. A perfect, clean white for all ceilings and trim. We'll then pair it with Benjamin Moore's French canvas, a soft, warm off-white that's like sunlight on plaster, for the walls. This combination creates a layered, sophisticated look that feels both fresh and timelessly cozy. Imagine a classic Haussmannian building with its pale stone and intricate ironwork balcony. Picture the trim around those grand windows painted in crisp Chantilly lace, making every architectural detail pop against the warm stone. Down in the courtyard garden, a little bistro set might be painted in the same clean white, sitting prettily against a wall washed in the softer French canvas. It sets the tone before you even step inside. Elegant, light, and inviting. The moment you step in, the magic of the two-tone starts working. The high ceiling, crown molding, and baseboards in Chantilly lace draw your eye up and outline the space with precision. The walls in French canvas welcome you with a soft, warm embrace, making the entry feel bright but never sterile. A simple console table with a gilded mirror reflects the light, proving you don't need bold color to make a memorable first impression. Here, the French canvas walls act as a serene, neutral backdrop that makes your green plants, art, and textured linens truly shine. The Chantilly lace on the fireplace mantel, window casings, and bookshelves adds that necessary crispness. Your sofa in a light linen will seem to float in this calm space, while the play of light from the windows shifts the wall color from soft white to a warm beige all day long. It's the ultimate recipe for a room that's both put together and perfectly relaxed. This is where the warmth of French canvas really pays off, creating a cocoon-like feel that's restful and cloud-soft. The Chantilly lace on the ceiling medallion, picture rails, and trim keeps the look airy and defined. Piles of white and cream bedding with maybe a cashmere throw will layer beautifully within this monochromatic scheme. You'll wake up in a space that feels like a peaceful retreat, full of subtle depth and quiet luxury. Picture a vintage wooden table surrounded by mismatched cane chairs, all anchored by this elegant wall and trim combo. The French canvas provides a muted gallery-like setting that makes your dinnerware and glassware sparkle. The bright white Chantilly lace on the wainscoting or ceiling trim adds just enough formality for dinner parties. It's a space that feels equally suited for a morning coffee or a festive evening with friends, all thanks to this flexible palette. In here, Chantilly lace is the star on your cabinetry, giving a clean, classic look that will never go out of style. The walls in French canvas soften everything, preventing the space from feeling too clinical or cold. Open shelves displaying white dishes and copper pots will look gorgeous against these tones. It feels like a kitchen where buttery croissants should be on the counter, bathed in gentle, beautiful light. Using Chantilly lace on the trim, bathtub paneling, and ceiling makes this space feel incredibly clean and bright. The French canvas on the walls introduces a whisper of warmth, so it's refreshing but not stark. Fluffy white towels and a simple black and white floor tile complete the timeless Parisian vibe. It's a spa-like escape that proves the simplest color schemes are often the most effective.